To upload a video on Behance, start by logging in and clicking on Share Your Work at the top of the page. From there, select Project to create a new one, which will prompt you to add a video or audio file. Click on Video, Audio to open your File Explorer and find the video you want to upload. Once you've selected the video, it will start uploading to the Behance website, which may take a few moments. After the upload is complete, a message will appear on the screen stating that the file has been uploaded successfully and is being converted into a web-friendly format, a process that can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the file size. During this time, you won't be able to preview the video, but you can continue editing and navigating away from the page. Once the video has been processed and converted, click Continue and fill in the required information, such as the project cover, title, tags, and visibility settings. You can choose to make the project private or public, and then click Publish to upload it to your profile. If you prefer, you can also save the project as a draft, which will allow you to come back and edit it later. To access your drafted project, go to your profile and click on Drafts, where you'll find the video you just uploaded. And from there, you can edit or publish it at your convenience.